Hello guys, Letters here. In today's video I'm going to be installing a camber kit. I don't know if you could say that, that's the rear one and that's the front one. They don't normally look like that. This is just like a let me show you guys. This is how it look. It normally don't look like that, just like a thing, but I type camber kit on eBay, give me this, so I'll just send it. Just going to install the Wii one first, but in like 2 days or 3 days or so I will install the front one because the bolt on the wheel or not has rusted at the front one. So yeah, I'm waiting for my gun to come in to install these. So yeah, right now we're going to jack up the car and take off the wheels to do this. After you guys take it off, you should have something like this. So that's the camber thing. That's the factory one, and so this is like we have to remove this bolt. We have to remove this bolt and take this out, and we have to remove these two bolts right here. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to replace it with this bad boy right here. Damn, looks sick as hell. So yeah, let's get to work. That's the old one, that's the stock one, and that's the new one. So I had to tap this a couple times. As you could see, this is like bented and everything. I hope you could see that. This is bented, and it have a little nut, a little thing that goes in it, like this one. You have to take it out before you do that. So that's how it look without it. So that's negative camber. When you push it all out, you push it all, that's positive. Damn, Jesus, this shit is hot. You see how much I hate it. So this thing could come out. I almost bust this shit. So right now we're just gonna do the opposite side. Put this in here, put this back in. This should be easy because this is like this is more modern and look nicer. And right now we're going to like measure it because I don't want any camber right now because I'm just putting it so if my wheel doesn't fit, so I could just put the camber, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's just measure it and see. And this here have a curve, this one doesn't, which give a lot of benefits. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah, it's the same thing with the other side, so I don't think I'm going to show you guys the other side. If I notice a different, I'm going to show you it, but if I don't show you, it's the same thing. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just gonna measure and finish with it. One thing I noticed is that it already come with the same long with it, with the stock one. So if you want camber, you have to modify it, but if you don't want, you just have to leave it like that. But just in case you want, you just have to, like, anytime just come up in here, chop, then do it. So yeah, so right now we're just going to put this bad boy back in here and finish with it. Let's do it. So there you guys have it. This is how you install a camber kit, camber. So for this, I just you gotta put that. Where's the other one? Yeah, hold on. Fuck. Where the hell did I put it? Yeah, the thing that go on top of it, I'm pretty sure you see this. Yeah, you put it, there's a hole, you put it, then the other side, you make sure it meet with this side, and this was way too long, so I just curve it, so it doesn't hurt my wheel. Right now, we're just gonna put the stock cover on, like this thing. We're gonna put it to protect this because there was a reason they put it there. So yeah, and yeah, the other side is the same thing. So thank you guys for watching, and now I'll see you guys next time. Peace.